It is a normal working day, a normal office day. I went to an office. I worked like I had done every day. At the end of the day, my manager called me and said, Vinod, from tomorrow onwards, you not need to come to office. We are changing some hierarchies in our office and we are not able to incorporate you in them. So at that time, I was blank. There are a number of questions going on in my mind, but I am not able to speak. What should I ask? What should I say? And at that moment, I had decided the job is not secure at all. You never know when you are kick off from your job. But I'm not disappointed. It is for only 1 or 2 days that I was in depressed state. After that, again in a positive state. And I have taken it as in a positive way. I started learning many new things. And one thing I want to share with you that after kick out of from that job, I am 1 year without a job. Imagine, with my 2 daughters going to school. But I never give up. I had learned many new things in that. I have started writing. I am working on some blogging platform to work for someone, and they are paying for me. They were paying for me. I started working on a stock market analysis. I had learned that thing. I have started taking Android courses. I have started machine learning courses. Whatever thing comes to my mind, I started learning because I know this is the time I can learn new things. I can explore the things which I am comfortable with, and I learned a lot of things in that. The moral of the story is don't make anything bad happens when something bad comes to you. Simply accept it. Maybe you are depressed or in stress level for some days, but as soon as you come out of it, and it should be super fast, you should be come out of that state in a very super fast way, because this is life. It will give you these types of experiences, and these are the experiences that will help you to grow. So don't take anything to your heart. Simply embrace the situation, get back to your life, start working on new things. That's the way the life goes on.